Hi all, welcome to episode 12 of kamaltechvlog. First and foremost, wish you all a happy new year. Today what we are going to do is we are going to unbox few more things which I have purchased for my YouTube channel. That will be a wireless mic. At the moment I am using the wired mic with the lavalier mic which I told you in my first video. Now we are going to unbox the eyeball wireless mic, and I'll be reviewing it by using it from the next shot onwards in this video. And we'll also be unboxing the dampener of the sound of the mic also over here and see the effects, how good is it of that. I've also ordered for a few more things on Amazon from a channel which I'll be unboxing in few of the days, and we'll also be going ahead and discussing about the update which has come to OnePlus Nord, the 10.5.10 update. So I'll be discussing about that also. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all we are going to unbox the eyeball wireless mic. It's with the receiver and with the mic. So this is the package of that. I know the color is somewhat, but I got this. So let's see that. So it's nothing but a normal mic what you get. I'll be getting a boom stand for this by tomorrow mostly, so that I don't have to hold it in the hand. But for reviewing this today, I'll be holding and speaking in this for the whole time. What it comes with is in the package is with this receiver. Okay. In this receiver, I'm just taking this box off. So before I do that, yeah, nothing much to it. It's just model number M90 eyeball mask, eyeball mic. So apart from all this packaging material, this receiver comes. So it comes with a bigger pin, which can be used for speakers and big amplifiers and everything. So you have to buy this converter along with it. That's for a 3.5mm converter. So when you connect it, it will become a 3.5mm converter, which you can attach to your DSLR cameras, your phone cameras, and also to normal speakers which you have in the home. For going ahead, and you can use it for making YouTube videos. You can use it for going ahead and making TikTok videos if it's still there in your place, because in India it's banned, and other type of videos. And you can also do karaoke with this with your friends, like as we do know, this new year we all are shut at home because of the curfew in India, and so we are mostly partying at home, and for karaoke and for a good time this would be useful. And how it works is, if you see here clearly, when you go ahead and switch it on, it has a red color light over here which starts. And this one, if you see how it works is, just pull it out. It comes with two AA batteries, by which it's wireless. There's no rechargeable thing in this. So that's all. That's simple as that. And this receiver, it comes with one single AA battery. So totally 3 batteries you will require. And this one you can connect to your phone, and this one will be in the handheld. Like you can go ahead and hold it in your hand and use this. Or if you have a boom stand, you can just keep the mic like this, and you can go ahead and use for your instructional videos or any kind of videos, whatever you're talking about. So for that it's useful. So what we're going to do now is, I'm not going to go ahead and just say how the review is going to be and all that stuff. The next, I'm going to take out the condenser of this, and I'm also going to review that now. So I'll be doing the rest of the video using this mic. Okay? So you guys go ahead and tell me the review of the mic, because I'm going to do the rest of the video using this mic only. So next we are going to go ahead and review a mic muffler. Like in studio, when you do recording or any type of recording, if you want the voice to be clearly heard in a mic, you need to go ahead and use this after attaching this mic to a boom stand or anything in front of you, so that you have a clear voice, so that your audience can go ahead and hear me well. So we are going to unbox that. And if you see what is this wires lying, this was the mic I was using so long. So once I use this mic, I won't be needing this. So let's throw this away. Okay, so let's start making doing the unboxing of this stuff now. Unbox this now. It's a pop-up filter which can be used for the mic. So let's unbox this. So this is a pop-up filter, and it's supposed to be a 5 rating one. So let's open this. Give me a second. Okay, so this is the pop-up filter. Okay, so this is the pop-up filter. If you see this, you can go ahead and attach this to the boom mic stand if when you get that, where you can also attach your mic to the boom mic and then attach this in front of your mic. In front of your mic, if you can hear me clearly now. So what this will do is it will protect it against wind, against any other sounds which are coming through, and your voice clarity will be good. So once I get the boom mic, I can go ahead and do a complete review of this, and I can go ahead and put the review over here. While I'm making the video, I'll just go ahead and give you a review. I don't think so we have to give a full review on this. So while I'm making any other video, I'll give you a review on this in between itself. So I'll be putting the links over here below. You can check that out. So there's nothing much to it over here. Like at the moment I'm holding the mic just because I have not got the other stuff till now. And this one, like if you see, it's very simple. Just turn it and adjust it till the time like you need you can attach it to the boom mic, and it has a complete screw system. And it has a very soft texture, and it's sturdy also over here. See, I can't bend it in one hand. Okay, let me use my pencil stand over here for holding the mic for a minute. Okay, I hope it stands up here. And if you see, yeah, it has a proper bend. I attach this over here, and the mic will be behind that. So that's a proper way of doing it. As I told you, the links will be available for this below. I bought this in Amazon, as I told you, and this pop filter's review will be given in some time, and about all other stuff which I'm going to order from Amazon and which I've ordered for making my own YouTube videos. I'll be going ahead and giving the links below, and I'll also be giving the link for the boom mic holder. That's I don't have to hold this mic in my hand. I can just go ahead and keep it like this, and it'll be shooting better. And after attaching the pop filter, how it looks, I will go ahead and make that video also. And let's go to the next segment over here, where I do have some good news. Like I did make a video before some time. I'll be attaching it in the end regarding OnePlus Nord update, where we were not getting any updates for OnePlus Nord, and many of the OnePlus Nord users had many complaints regarding the same. Even I was one of the Nord users who had the same complaint, and I did raise it, and I made a video for that, and I think so it's fruitful now, because OnePlus went ahead and released the new update of 10.5.10, and the people who did not get via the normal OTA can go ahead and easily download Oxygen Updater from Google Play Store and download from that. And I'll be putting the cards over here, everywhere, where you can go ahead and see what are the new updates. First of all, if you see in the card, like you can see, like you have the Google, you can see the normal Android security patch for the month of December, which has been released. Like after all Nokia and all the other mobiles got it, Android One mobiles, and the OnePlus will also launch that thing. Plus, the second one is the interesting update. That is a GMS service update. That is Google Mobile Services update. Like in OnePlus Nord, it came with Google Apps and Google Discovery, Google Feeds and everything. So it was almost with Google Dialer and everything. And there were few bugs in that. Like example, if you go to the Discovery and if you check on the feeds, it never used to refresh properly. So first we thought it was the internet problem. Then there are some people criticizing, stating that it was Google problem. At last, when this update came out, that's the Google Mobile Service Update, the problem stopped and it is fixed now. So it automatically refreshes all the feeds via using your mobile internet itself. Or else you have to always go ahead and switch on your Wi-Fi, then it used to refresh and everything. There was a problem going on and many people had this problem and issue. So if you now see the timeline of all the updates OnePlus Nord has given, they have gone ahead and given regular updates also. And the third update which they gave in this, apart from GMS services, was the normal stability issues, bugs, fixes, etc., which is usual with all mobiles, including OnePlus Nord is not exceptional in that. And they also gave the OnePlus Store app, but you have to go ahead and allow it to give your mobile access and everything. But they also given the option to go ahead and uninstall the app without any problems. So I went ahead and uninstalled it because it's a useful waste of space. It's not like OnePlus Buds, which they had given in the previous update, which you cannot uninstall from your phone. It's a built-in app, but this one can be uninstalled. There are ways to uninstall a built-in app also, but later on I will go ahead and teach you that. But as it's a new phone, like it just launched about 6 months or 5 months back, I will tell you my experience about it. Like first there was display issue, they fixed it. There was Bluetooth issue, they fixed it. There was green tint issue, they anyhow fixed the brightness and they made it okay so that people can use it well. There was a game performance issue, they gave a gaming update also. So there was a Wi-Fi issue, they gave a Wi-Fi update also. So OnePlus Nord has gone ahead and given updates in regular time. It has taken time, I know that. After the phone was launched in July end, in August only people start getting the mobile, and after that, like, it has taken some time, but they have gone ahead and fixed most of the issues. And I'm not gonna go ahead and wear a coat suit or anything and tell which are the top phones at the moment. I would say if it's a budget friendly phone, you can go for OnePlus Nord even now. But if you want to go for a higher end specification, just wait for the next year, which is coming by, where all the triple Snapdragon 888 processors are releasing. Where even OnePlus is releasing OnePlus 9 that time with the same processor. Mi11 has already come out, Realme is coming out, and Realme is going to go ahead and come into a budget segment with the same processor. So you can even try that out, but it's according to your own preference. And Google Pixel, I think so, will be coming out with that. And let's say, and next year even you will be getting Apple iPhone, which they are trying to go ahead and make a foldable phone at the moment. So at the moment, for me, as a budget friendly phone for this year, number one choice would be OnePlus Nord. If you go to any of the listings, any of the big YouTubers or any of the listings, if you see, the number one choice for most of them would be OnePlus Nord. People told the camera is not good, but then too I'm recording YouTube videos in that, and it's not at all bad. Might be I'm not getting the best resolution, but I'm able to convey my message. And today I've taken the video in dark just to prove that how good the camera is in this, even in a dark mode. Once the lighting comes for me, like, I'll go ahead and unbox that also, and I'll give you all the details, like what I'll say, where you can buy that, and how much, what is the offer going on, because there are many offers going on for the new year in which you can get your setup in a very less price. And I'll give you a total tally also of what all I have purchased till now, so that even you can start your YouTube channel, because I had promised in my first video, I'll leave a link to that also in my card down, and in the end of the video, please do watch that, like about the various things I'm buying in a monthly basis. That is, last month I bought few. This month, when it's starting, like from 31st, it's like I started buying few, which I'll be getting it will be getting delivered by January mostly. And then I'll be improving even the camera. I'll be getting a proper DSLR for making my videos in a proper way. So keep watching the channel, and if you do like this, please like and subscribe for my videos, because I'll be making many technical videos as well as tutorials for people who do wish to start a YouTube channel, and you can get benefit out of it. And I also tell you about the monetization policy of YouTube, like how it works, and how you can go ahead and start a YouTube channel and get benefited by that. Because there are various other things, because people have a single type of thinking about YouTube. They are shy of camera. Even I'm a shy person, to be said, but once I started facing the camera, if you see my first video that, as I told you, which I'm putting in the card, that is a really bad video. But then too, I have tried my level best, so let's see. And in end, I'm always wishing you a very prosperous new year. Be happy and explore your opportunities in this new year, because we all suffered this year with the virus pandemic, and now even the second strain has come out. So be healthy, be at home, be safe, and whenever you have time, do watch my videos. Happy New Year, have a wonderful day.